So this is coffee. Our coffee is Capindara.
Chocolate and
Capindara coffee with infused style.
Ano po yan?
Bengke.
Coffee po, 36% espresso. Arabica,
You can feel the Arabica in this coffee.
And ito po yung ano niya.
So right now, these are the even the bottles.
Ito po yung empty bottle.
As you can see, we
As
have
you can see po, it's a Philippine na bottle. Sa gilid po, meron pong Philippine map. Tapos sa Christian Company, meron kaming Bible verse. Matthew 6:21. Ang ibig sabihin for us is kahit saan mo dala to, dala mo yung Pilipinas. So it's like a Philippine bottle. And as we promote sustainability, pwede namin nila gamitin, pwede nyo guys our base. But at the same time, lang, pwede nyo siya lagyan ng lights or like fairy lights, meron ng reflection ng Philippine lights dito. And as a bartender, ginagawa ko to as drinking glass. Hinahati ko ng tubig.
love the design.
I mean,
Ito naman po yung packaging.
this glass.
Usually, mabenta siya sa mga kasal na...
Actually, mas masarap kung
Yes, yes, sir. Yes po.
Can you
I'll
hold
give
it
you-
and then I'll take a picture? I'll show my pictures.
Yes.
How much yung...
Ayun naman po yung itsura niya. Yung sales niya.
Guys, just try if you really want more.
Thank you.